Hello everybody. Damn, that's Tom Jarman's opening. Come up with your own, be original. Hello and welcome to another full... Lubin, sorry. Hey you! Robbie, what else? I'll be whistling soon. Scrap the intro, no good at intros, but I did buy a GoPro, and GoPro has the word pro in the name, so that basically from having no experience filming episodes whatsoever, I'm now professional because that. But thank you to these genuine good fishermen and fishing YouTubers, because watching fishing videos is about 5% as enjoyable as fishing yourself, and I'll take that 5% over basically anything else that isn't fishing, and you guys are absolute legends. Not that you know who I am or gonna watch this, because the only person that is gonna watch this is myself, and I'm perfectly okay with that, because this is gonna make great memories for down the track. Okay, so no introduction. Today we are fishing Lake Disappointment in northeast Victoria, and anybody that knows this lake also knows that it's less commonly known as Lake Eildon. It's a wonderful place to come and fish if you don't like catching fish, and that's what we're going to be doing today. The other thing to know with this area, especially if you have a fly fishing background or a spin fishing background, or you love catching trout, is you've got to focus on one fish and do that well. You don't go into Port Phillip Bay and catch snapper, or focus on catching snapper and then get distracted by trying to chase whiting. So if you come into Lake Eildon, focus on chasing cod. It's of course very easy to be distracted by the Goulburn River, especially when it's a wonderful autumn day like it is today, and you know that it will be great fishing, fly fishing for trout, but you've got to put that aside, ignore that, focus on the target species, which today is cod, and have a fantastic time out there and be satisfied coming home empty-handed, because that's very likely what's going to happen. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are at the majestic Goulburn River. There's only about 400 cars at Gilmore's, so no fishing pressure at all, couldn't resist. What a day. Talking about planning for one thing, I thought I'd quickly pack a rod and do some Euro nymphing, and I packed my Euro nymphing rod and my Waitfold 5-weight line reel. So for those who don't know, this Euro rod is about a 3-weight, and I'm fishing with a 5-weight. That's a little bit like trying to shoot a cannon out of a canoe. I also have no leader on my line and no sort of leader nail knot tool, so I'm using the old folded over lip piece of mono to attach a leader. So that is an absolutely terrible knot. Whoa! Oh, he's gone. Tiny fish. Picking up to cast then. That's bad fishing. Another long distance release. Oh, there's a bit, another little one. So I'm fishing a giant, obnoxious grasshopper foamy fly, even though probably not heaps of those around this late. And I'm fishing that down to a wrap around the rod tip fly. That's what pros do. To this thing. Didn't tie it myself. Don't know what it's called. There we go. I just see another trout rise over there. I might have to take off this obnoxious fly and put on something more subtle. There we go. I'll let him rise one more time before I spook him. Gee, he's loving life. Alright. Let's get ready to spook this fish. sick. As I've been bush bashing through, nicked up my leader just to make sure that if this trout does feed my line that I won't catch it. Oh, there's a cow up there. Oh, let's go downstream. I'm not going to try and cast across. Maybe we'll get that. Got him. Yes. Oh, jeez. The noodle does it. The noodle does it. Yes. Oh, you beauty. You ripper. There we go. Big in the water. Beautiful golden brown backwater fish. Took a Para Adams. That is a gorgeous golden river brown. Away we go. So, mate, you're meant to swim off in a way the camera can see. That's horrible. Okay, love you, bye. Alright. We are good to go. I was going to stop here and have a little bit of lunch, but it is now 4 o'clock, so that is too late for lunch. So it'll be a protein shake, a protein bar, and a banana. Sounds healthy when you say protein bar. It's got a lot of chocolate in it. Anyway, we're starting with a weedless plastic and a massive spinnerbait. Okay, I love you, bye. First cast. Better make sure that drag's good. Pokeball, return. Samba. Someone spooked a samba. Didn't seem that far away, just at the campsite over there. Come on. Come on. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is, honey. Yes. Yes. Spider on my face. Ready to go soon. Having a celebratory honey. I deserve it. 60cm cod. Wow. Basically a meter. How's the serenity? Sun's been up for 15 minutes, meant to be fishing in the dark, but got up a bit late. What are you gonna do? There's trout moving everywhere like there always is. So, let's go. 9:30, haven't caught anything. Fantastic morning, went real quick.